So for today, we are at Taroko, I think. Haven't been here before, so let's see how it goes. Pity it rained yesterday. I like it when it's dry. When it's wet, I really don't, because everything's slippery. So I think we're gonna do the 30 kilometers today, which should take me roughly an hour and something, if everything goes well. Morning.
Hi.
Oh, I'm scared of this. But I like the river though. So now I'm in a situation where I'm not sure which route to take, if it's this or the other one. Woo! So let's see. Okay, we're not doing the red. Oh, I stumbled on this. It's a beautiful waterfall. Well, let's continue now. Hi guys. Sure. So those guys are busy building ramps. I think there'll be an enduro race soon, so they're prepping for it. Oh! Ow! 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 Whew! Get out of the fall. So problem is the sand. I drifted over here and see, I hate sand. Here I am on the floor. Whew, let's start up again. Now that was painful. So I fell 20 minutes ago. Let's start. This place is epic. It's like a rundown building, but I'm not going inside. I don't know what's there. I think I might need to put something on my wrist. I'm feeling the pain. Oh, let's check this out. This looks tight. Oh, let's park somewhere here. So, this is the dam. Sweet. It's actually big. Bigger than I thought. Okay, I won't go too far, just in case there are things. That's quite nice. But I'm starting to get scared. With these little reservoirs, You might find hippos. Because there's a duck over there. This is quite nice. So we are going to go down that way, all the way there. I think we have another 10 kilometers to go. Then we'll be heading home. But this is nice. Cool. Let's head back. Hi guys, welcome again to Learning Tree, the fun with Tree Junior Pro. As you can tell, it started raining, so I think I'm cutting my cycling short, and I decided to do my video while I'm on the trail, right? So today we have one person that needed something translated, and that's Daniel. Daniel, thanks again for your continued support. And the very first thing Daniel wanted to know was he wanted to know the different meanings of mo in Tree, right? So mo can mean good, mo can mean congratulations, or mo can mean well done. So when somebody does something outstanding or something good, you go to them and say mo wayad, which is technically speaking, well done, right? So Daniel, I hope you understand those meanings. Mo can mean good, excellent, or well done. Now the next thing that Daniel wanted to know was, Daniel wanted to know what sikasem actually means in English. Again, sikasem. Now, sikasem in English means money issues, or whatever it is about money. Now, the third thing that Daniel wanted to know was, I don't eat much. Again, I don't eat much. Now, that in Tree can be said as min didi dodo. Again, min didi dodo. One last time, min didi dodo. Now, the next thing that Daniel wanted to know was, Daniel wanted to know what jaiwasem actually means in English. Again, jaiwasem. Now, that in English is leave your matter or leave it, or leave whatever you're saying. Now, the next thing that Daniel wanted to know was, we are filled with power. Again, we are filled with power. Now, that in Tree can be said as, to me, ashayema. Again, to me, ashayema. To me is power. Ashe is like has filled us. Ma is full. So again, to me, ashayema. One last time, to me, ashayema. Now, the next thing that Daniel wanted to know was, that's how he sees us. Again, that's how he sees us. Now, that in Tree can be said as, sa na ohuyeng. Again, sa na ohuyeng. One last time, sa na ohuyeng. Sorry if I'm a bit fast, it's raining and it's getting cold. Now, the next thing Daniel wanted to know was, it wouldn't have been this way if you would have listened to me. Now, that in Tree can be said as, nanka enyesa seutiemia. Again, nanka enyesa seutiemia. One last time, nanka enyesa seutiemia. Now, the last thing that Daniel wanted to know was, you are very disrespectful. Again, you are very disrespectful. Now, that in Tree can be said as, wu muadie. Again, wu muadie. One last time, wu muadie. Daniel, thanks again for your continued support, guys. That's it for this week's lesson. I just want to thank each and every one of you for your continued support. And remember, guys, if you like the content of the channel, please click on the like button. Please click on the subscribe button and bell button for future notifications. And remember, guys, please go get the Tree Junior Pro app. It's on Google Store. With that and these lessons, you learn Tree quicker. With that, from me, guys, see you next week. Bye.